The Indian Superhero. Once upon a time in India lived a village of people who were not only simple and hardworking, but they were also passionate about living a life of peace and harmony. Everything in the village was harmonious until one fateful day disaster struck. A great and powerful magical being appeared in the village, bringing with it chaos and destruction. Everyone in the village panicked and ran for safety, but one brave individual stepped forward to confront the magical being. This brave individual was a young boy named Raj, who was born with special abilities that were passed on from his ancestors. Raj had superhuman strength and agility, and he also had the power to manipulate energy. Raj used his powers to help the people of his village by fighting off the magical being and restoring peace and harmony to the village. The people of his village were so grateful to Raj for saving them and praised him as the Indian superhero. Raj's heroism and bravery helped to inspire the people of his village and spread his message of hope and bravery throughout India. He eventually became a symbol of hope, justice, and courage for the entire country. Raj used his powers to fight off many other evil forces that threatened his people, and word of his heroic deeds began to spread all around the world. Even the gods of India took notice of Raj, and granted him even greater powers and abilities. With the help of these new powers and the help of his people, Raj was able to defeat the powerful magical being and restore peace and harmony to the world. He was praised for his bravery and heroism and became known throughout the world as the Indian superhero.